Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Music Impossible. Professor Jim with a quick follow-up lesson to our last one about leaps and steps. I wanted to illustrate the same thing to you on the piano keyboard. So take a look at my keyboard here, and we're just going to start here with, let's start with F right here. First space in treble clef is the F there, the F above middle C. And if I want to go up by a step, I'm just going to go to the very next note. Now, we're only talking about the white keys for now. We'll get into the black keys down the road. But if I'm here on this F and I go up a step, it's just the very next note. Like going up the stairs in your home. You just go to the very next step or the very next key here. So that's going up a step from F. And let's go down a step from F. We just go down to that very next note below it, the E. If I want to do a leap, all I have to do is skip a white key in any direction. And now I have a leap. So we'll start with the same F. We'll go down to the C. Middle C down there, that's a leap. See how we've skipped these two white keys in the middle, and now we have a leap. Same thing in the opposite direction. We'll go up to the A, F to A there, and we have a leap. Leaps can be anything, any distance between two notes that is more than a step. Now, if I come back over to my Sibelius, and we start looking at some notes here. Let's say we have two notes here. You see how on the piano keyboard, this A and this B, or the second space and the third line, are right next to each other. We learned that that is a step in our last video. And you can see it here visually on the keyboard. They are also right next to each other on the keyboard. Same thing if I wanted to have a leap, I can take one of these notes. All I'm doing now is just skipping any number of white keys, and these are all going to be considered leaps. So we see both notes lit up here in purple. The bottom note here is the A. The top note up here is this F in treble clef. These are both leaps. We can do this in any direction. This F down to the A is a leap down. This A up to this F is a leap up. So if we were to separate these two notes and play them separately, that's how that would look. So let's say we have an A here, and the very next note is an F. This is a leap from an A to an F. I hope that makes a little bit more sense and clarifies it. I always like adding some visual elements here with the keyboard too. We're going to do a lot of that down the road. So make sure you know your notes on the piano keyboard as well as we start learning notes on the music staff. Speaking of which, next time, treble clef, we're going to roll that out. We're going to start learning notes on the treble clef staff. Get ready to start reading music. It gets fun from here. Go do your assignments, and I'll see you at the next lesson. Thanks. Bye.